You can do it! Last time we painted it in color. This time we draw it in black and white. Let's start with the left eye to draw the double eyelid. Let's draw 2 layers of arcs. The right and lower left are connected into a sharp point. Then draw the other eye, a little higher than the left eye. The eyes are still the same. Just draw brackets on both sides. The nose is just a small dot. The mouth is also an arc. You can do it! 8 months later. Fix his highest point. Draw the arc of his bangs. You can do it! Next, you can start drawing his head. It's the same way. Set the highest point. Both sides begin to extend. Draw the hair on both sides. Then the little flower on his head. Let's just sketch it out. Make it a little bit more interesting. Then the rest of the body is relatively simple. His shoulders are hugged on the left and lowered on the right. Be sure to pay attention to your hair when painting and the relationship between the body and the body. Business work.
Seasons come and go like thoughts.
If it should be clear, be clear. Finally, we added background music to him. Give him Missy Missy.
They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year